Are you stuck on a black screen in Silent Hill F where the audio might play, but nothing ever loads? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 100% working solutions step by step. These fixes are advanced but simple to follow, and you won't need to reinstall the game. Let's get you back into Silent Hill F without frustration. Step 1. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Often the black screen issue is linked to outdated graphics drivers. Head to the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel official website and download the latest drivers. Don't rely only on Windows Update, it usually lags behind. After installing, restart your PC and then launch Silent Hill F Step 2. Force the game to run in windowed or borderless mode. Sometimes Silent Hill F tries to start in full screen mode and fails to render. To fix this, right-click the game in Steam, select Properties, then under Launch Options, type Windowed, No Border. This forces the game to skip full-screen rendering and usually bypasses the black screen. Step 3. Verify game files on Steam. Corrupt or missing files are another major reason. Go to Steam, right-click Silent Hill F, select Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. This checks and automatically repairs broken files. Step 4. Disable overlays, Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience. Game overlays can conflict and cause a permanent black screen. Disable Steam overlay in the game properties, turn off Discord overlay from its settings, and also disable GeForce Experience overlay if you're on NVIDIA. Step 5. Adjust DirectX or Vulkan mode. Silent Hill F supports multiple rendering APIs. If it defaults to one that your system doesn't like, it may crash into a black screen. In Steam launch options, try DX11 or DX12. If those fail, add Vulkan. Test each until you find the stable option. Step 6. Delete config files. Force game to rebuild settings. If Silent Hill F saved bad graphics configurations, it will keep crashing. Navigate to your Documents or App Data folder, find the Silent Hill F settings folder, and delete config files. Don't worry, the game will rebuild them fresh the next time you launch. Step 7. Disable full-screen optimizations and run as admin. Navigate to the Silent Hill F executable file inside the Steam folder. Right-click, go to Properties, Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full-Screen Optimizations, and also select Run this program as administrator. These two tweaks alone fix black screen errors for many players. Step 8. Update Windows and Visual C++ redistributables. Make sure your Windows is fully updated. Also, install the latest Visual C++ redistributable files from Microsoft. Many modern games rely on these, and without them, you'll get crashes or black screens. Step 9. Reinstall DirectX runtime. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall the DirectX end-user runtime from Microsoft's official website. This refreshes missing or corrupted DirectX files that games like Silent Hill F rely on. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the black screen error in Silent Hill F permanently. Remember, don't panic because most of the time, this isn't your PC's fault. It's just a small configuration conflict. If this video helped you, drop a like, share with other players, and subscribe for more advanced fixes. See you in the next guide.